everybody, this is the dashboard. This time we're taking you out to the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for June. And this is the lid cam. This was a great event. We always enjoy going out to this event. It was a little on the small side this month. That may have been just because it was Father's Day. Maybe because it was hot. Don't know. But it was a little smaller. So anyway, we took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share if you do the video.
Yeah.
Three-wheeled bicycle.
Yeah. Maybe that's what I need, huh?
Maybe. Well, purple truck's in my spot.
I wonder. Well, you want to go down the other end? It's kind of... Or down there under that tree.
The middle one? Okay.
No, all the way to the end. Or here, it doesn't matter.
I think I'll pull up right there.
Okay.
Facing that way.
All right. I can always put my chair out under the tree.
Yep.
Yeah, it's kind of slim today. But we're a little early.
Should I just sit in one or should I pull straight forward?
Pull straight forward. Sit in both. What? The tree?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we'll,
Pull forward.
we'll stop right there.
Alright. Or if you want to pull forward, you won't be under that limb. Unlock. Mm-hmm. See y'all next time.
See you later. May just pull up by the Nova here.
Yeah, I guess. Well, there's Jim. A little bit late. Is it? No, that ain't
No.
Jim.
You mean Ed?
Yeah.
Hope y'all weren't telling any secrets.
Oh, we might have.
Yeah. It catches all kinds of sounds.
Uh-huh.
There we go. There's that and that. Well, I thought for a minute that was thunder. It was a car cranking up.
Motorcycle.
Yeah.
Yeah, they've made these damn shoes so they don't adjust now.
Yeah.
Son of a bitch.
Alright, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup for June. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And if you did, don't forget to drop us a like, a comment, share us around to all your car people and non-car people. We don't discriminate on this channel. And if you did like the video, help us out. Drop a subscribe. You'll get first dibs on all our videos. They'll come right to you. We're trying to reach 500 subscribers to get our initial monetization goal, and any help you can provide would really be appreciated. Like I say, if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and we'll keep them coming at you. Anyway, we'll see you guys on the next one.